I'm gonna give you a quick and complete rundown on pressure washers. These machines are super versatile. You can wash your car, spruce up your yard, clean wooden decks, outdoor furniture, storefronts, or even construction tools. There are different types to pick from. Electric pressure washers are perfect for home use. They run quietly and are easy to manage. Typically, they push out about 5 to 8 liters of water per minute, so roughly 300 to 500 liters an hour, with motors ranging from 1 to 2.5 kilowatts. Gasoline pressure washers heat harder, which makes them great for heavy-duty jobs or spots without power. Their flow is usually 8 to 15 liters per minute, around 500 to 900 liters an hour, and motors can range from 3 to 7 kilowatts or more. The trade-off, they're louder and you have to keep an eye on fuel and oil levels. There's also battery-powered or cordless option. These run on rechargeable batteries, so moving them around is easy. They're best for lighter tasks like washing bikes or patio furniture. They usually push 2 to 4 liters per minute with motors in a 300 to 600 watt range, so their pressure is naturally lower. The motors themselves come in a few flavors. Brush motors are affordable and fine for light-duty work. Universal motors are compact and handle regular jobs without trouble. Induction motors run cooler and can take a lot of work, making them a smart pick for continuous use or bigger projects. Pressure washers also come with a ton of extras. You can check the water pressure, swap nozzles for narrow and wide spray, use foam guns for cars, surface cleaners for patios, hose, reels, and quick connect fittings. Turbo nozzles, extension valves, and brushes make it easier to reach higher tricky spots. For maintenance, always drain the water from the pump and hoses after use and store your machine somewhere dry and out of direct sun or freezing conditions. If you've got a gasoline model that won't be used for a while, either empty the tank or add a fuel stabilizer. Finally, before you buy, think about where you'll use it most. Knowing this will help you pick a model that makes your cleaning task way easier and hassle-free. If you have further questions, you can contact us at FOMCORE.